That'll either wake you up or knock you out. Ooh. Oh, what a response. Oh, man.
He gets out of the way.
Ooh, a vicious shot right to the dome.
He is staying aggressive now.
This is how he wants to take charge.
Guys, we're about to see a rocket kick. Wow.
He's headed to the top now.
Fought off with an elbow.
Returning back to the ring.
From the top.
Diving double axe handle. And he retaliates.
Here it comes. Neckbreaker. Ouch.
Counter. Right when it was needed.
German suplex turns the tides.
Picked up and being carried around now. It's river crossing. He goes for the pin.
Could this be it? And that's it. Scores the win for the team.
Here are your winners, Jeff